Well.
I was about to say a swear.
Nah, that's crazy. Go get your box.
Alright, y'all. After how damn long of me having the car?
This is it. He getting his Tomei, doc.
What is that? What is that? Is that a Tomei?
Is that a Tomei, doc?
Hey, that's a big block box.
Big blocks.
Big brown box. BBB.
Wow.
Alright, y'all. So right now we got the unpaint match lip. That's primer. But that's the Megan Racing Y back. And I got it paired to a ISR Y pipe with, you know, little scrapes in it because we was low. To me, you should have a video on the sound clips.
Yeah, I got a video somewhere. If you look through my channel.
It compared to my old exhaust to this exhaust. And asking me this exhaust to another exhaust.
To this bad boy right here. The Tomei.
Everybody know what a Tomei sound like.
Damn, now my neighbor's for real gonna hate him, yo.
Alright, y'all. Just open up the box. As in Timmy opened it first, he was more excited than I was.
I miss my Tomei.
Why'd you sell it?
Because it was too loud.
Look at this guy.
Now I'm going to go louder with the Type R exhaust. Straight
Type R?
Tomei Type R. Straight single.
Oh, this ain't the muffler part, actually. This is the resonator part. That's the part that goes to this part. And then the muffler connects to that.
The muffler got to be in that other box. A box in a box.
There's a lot of bubble wrap. They really cared for this. Alright guys, here's the main part. So I actually spent $1,200 just because I wanted the license plate and the stickers. That's it.
Crazy.
Y'all can have the Tomei like $5. Let me know.
We putting it on that toolbox too.
Hell yeah.
More stickers.
Tomei engineering, yo.
Tomei USA, not Japan.
Oh, this is Timmy's favorite piece right here.
Ah, yes.
Silencer.
Let me keep that.
Nah, I need that too.
Nah, let me keep that.
Oh, it comes with a bracket? I didn't know that.
That's crazy.
Alright. Oh my god, that's a big old tip.
That's your favorite tip.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
No, hey, yo.
That's a big old
no
tip.
pause. Straight resume.
Let's get this unwrapped now.
Nah, raise your car. That's crazy. Bro, this thing is clean.
Sheesh. It looks bigger, but I feel like it's the same size.
You can fit your whole hand in there.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Wow. You're so cool.
Wow.
All right, VQ activities. Here
Oh
we
my
go.
God.
Oh yeah, jacking the car up.
Jacking it off.
Wow, taking a couple bolts off. Zwing, and then putting a new one on.
Alright, y'all. As you can see, I'm under my car. Here's my old exhaust right here. I'm not gonna unbolt these back ones at all because, you know, you don't really have to take it like piece by piece to take it out. What I did was I just came up here and I unbolted it from my Y pipe. As you can see, it's hanging now. This is the Y pipe and this is the exhaust. Now all that's held on by is these two clamps, or hangers I mean, my bad. So there's gonna be one up there towards the back and the front. Gonna be one and then one right here. All right, y'all. So after like 30 minutes of absolute pain and agony on my own out here, taking these hangers off. These are like literally always the worst part in my opinion, just to put an exhaust on and off. It's easier using like a vice grip, you know, something that can grip the rubber hanger and then like clamp onto this end and then you can pry it out like that. And then, you know, a couple flatheads, a little leverage. But yeah, I got it out now. I can pull it out, as you can see. I'm gonna use both hands for this so I don't like, you know, bang up the floor. But here, I'll take it out and show you guys. All right, y'all, I got it pulled out. And then here's the new Tomei right beside it. Sheesh. It's all clean now, you know, Spring TI.
We're doing one section at a time. So this is the resonator part.
Bro blinded me.
Flush out. Dang, this thing rusty.
Bro, don't look at that.
All right, so we just got that resonated piece in. We got the exhaust hanger in, and we also got the two springs on. Also, don't forget the clamps, very important. So yeah, now all we need to do is basically put on the Tomei tip.
The main piece.
The main piece. The exhaust hanger, and then you're also gonna wanna put this piece around here so that way it's not metal to metal contact, and you don't hear a lot of, yeah, exactly, metal to metal, clink, 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 clink.
Get me to another 12mm wrench.
So needy.
Bruh. Good.
This is it.